Hello everyone. In this training session, we will be covering the job family configuration within the Onfinity system. Let's begin with a definition. A job family refers to a group of related roles within an organization that share similar skill sets, responsibilities, and competencies. This categorization helps structure roles based on common elements such as duties, required qualifications, and potential career paths. For example, the marketing job family may include roles such as marketing manager, content strategist, or social media specialist. These roles, while distinct, are aligned by their focus and expertise within the marketing discipline. Next, let's look at a use case. Consider a large organization aiming to streamline its hiring, training, and career development processes for its IT department. By categorizing roles under the IT or information technology job family, the company can more effectively align candidates with the right positions and support structured career growth. To achieve this in the Onfinity system, we need to define a job family with the name IT or information technology. To configure a job family, you will log in to the Onfinity system as an admin. Navigate to the menu, then go to the HR Management folder. From there, open General Setup, then select the Job Family screen. Click Create New Record. Enter the necessary details for the new job family, for example, name, information technology, description, and so on. That completes the process of defining a job family in the system. Now, let's walk through the execution of this use case. You will log in to the Onfinity system as an admin. From the main menu, you will navigate to the HR Management folder. Under HR Management, go to General Setup. Open the Job Family screen and use Click Create New Record. You will enter the required details for the new job family. Once all details are filled in, click Save to create the job family. Now, let's see how this looks inside the system. This is the login screen. You can log in using your unique credentials. Enter the user ID and password. Click Login to access the system. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the home page. Here, you will see various widgets. However, the data within these widgets will only be available after transactions have been completed since we are currently in the configuration phase. Next, you will navigate to the menu. From there, go to HR Management, then select General Setup. Within General Setup, open the Job Family screen. In this section, we will define the job family-related details. Before proceeding with the configuration, please consider two important points. For the organization scope, if your system includes multiple organizations and you wish to apply the job family setup across all of them, you will set the organization field to a star, which denotes a global configuration. If the job family is specific to one organization, select that particular organization's name. For the job family code, this field can be manually entered, but if it is left blank, the system will auto-generate a unique code. For the job family name, you will enter the name of the job family, such as information technology. For the start date, you will specify the date when this job family becomes effective. The start date for the configuration must always precede the joining date of the first employee in the system. For example, if the first employee, let's say Asif, joined the organization on January 1, 1981, then the configuration start date must be prior to this date, for example, January 1, 1980, or even earlier, such as 1979. For the end date, you can enter it here if the job family has a defined end date. For the description, provide a brief description of the job family for reference. Once all fields are filled in, click Save to create the record. After saving, you will notice that the job family code has been automatically generated by the system. And that's how you can add job family details in the Onfinity system. Thank you for attending.